Coming up.
To David Hoyn, all the way from Australia for his first visit to us. Come on down. Here.
How is everyone? Oh, come on. How is everybody? All right. I just introduced myself. I'm David Hoyn from Australia, a place called Wollongong, which is about an hour south of Sydney. Simon and I started dancing in '91. We were this big, and we've just been dancing ever since. So it's an honour to be here tonight, or today, and yeah. So and now we're going to do a dance to an Australian band called the Australian Tornadoes, and we did a dance about 3 years ago called Crocodile Roll, and to one of their songs, and this next song is from the Australian Tornadoes again, and it's called Cowboy for a Night. And yeah, I've got a backup dancer here. Do you know this guy? Do you know him? He's the floor guy. Actually, I choreographed in this dance with Pedro, Alison Johnston, and Ira. So we've all done it together. So since Pedro's here, he's jumped on the floor, and I think the other guys are all watching live. So hi guys. All right. So let's try it. All right. Weights on your left. We're going to do 2 kicks forward with your right. So it's kick, kick. Then we do a right coaster step. Rock forward on the left. Recover on the right. Make a half turn shuffle forward left. Left, right, left. Okay, come back and we'll try the first eight. You want music? Okay, so 2 kicks with the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. And kick, kick. Coaster step. Rock forward, half, shuffle left. Okay, that's the end of the dance. Hey? Alright. Okay, joking. Next, 8. Weight is on your left. We're going to step right into a quarter turn left. Touch your left toe beside right. That's for your second count. Yes. Alright, so it looks like this. Quarter touch. Step left to the side, right behind. Step left forward into a quarter. Step forward on your right. Make a quarter turn to the left and cross right over the left. Let's practice that last 8. Okay, so left foot's forward. We're going to step forward on the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. You guys are good. All right, let's try it from the top. Double kick with your right. 5, 6, 7, 8. With a kick, kick. And a coaster step. Rock forward, half, shuffle left. Quarter 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. This guy's got it, right? All right. From here, we're on the side wall. We're going to shuffle to the left. Shuffle left. Rock back on the right. Recover forward on the left. And sway right, left. Rock back on the right. Forward on the left. All right. Is that easy? All right. Let's just do that from the top. Shuffle to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle left, rock, recover. Rock right, left, rock, recover. All right, let's go from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. With a kick, kick. Coaster step. Rock forward, half, shuffle, and quarter touch. Side behind, quarter, quarter, and cross. Shuffle left, rock back. Side, rock, rock back. All right, are you ready to finish? Okay, we're going to shuffle to the right. Right, left, right. Cross rock, left over right. Recover back on the right. Make a quarter turn shuffle forward. Left, right, left. Step forward on your right. Make a quarter turn to the left and weight on your left. Okay, let's just try that last 8. Shuffle to the right. 1 and 2 with a cross rock. Quarter, shuffle, and a quarter turn. Weights on your left. Guess what? End of dance. Okay? Nice and easy, no tags, no restarts, just straight 32 counts. That's how we made it. All right. Here we go. Double kick on the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. With a kick, kick and a coaster step. Rock forward, half and shuffle with a quarter touch. Side behind, quarter and cross. Shuffle, left, right, left. Rock, recover, rock, right, left. Rock, recover. Shuffle to the right with a cross, rock. Shuffle to the left with a quarter and a kick, kick. That's it. Easy. You look shocked. All right. Let's take that look of confusion off your face. It is really that easy. It is. Trust us. All right. Here we go. Side wall with a double kick right. 5, 6, 7, 8. With a kick, kick. Coaster step. Rock forward, half. Shuffle left. Quarter touch. Side behind. Quarter, quarter, and cross. Shuffle to the left. Rock back. Sway. Right, left. Rock. And shuffle with a cross, rock, quarter, shuffle, quarter, quarter. Kick, kick, coaster step, rock forward, half, shuffle, and quarter touch. Side behind, quarter, quarter, and cross. Shuffle to the left, rock, recover, sway, right, left, shuffle to the right, cross, rock, quarter, shuffle, start again with a kick, kick, and a coaster step, rock forward, half, shuffle, and quarter to the front, side behind, quarter, quarter, and cross. Shuffle, left, rock, back, sway, right, left, rock, and shuffle with a cross, rock, shuffle, back to the front, one more, kick, kick, coaster step, forward, half, shuffle, quarter, touch, side behind, quarter, quarter, and cross. Shuffle, left, rock, back, sway, right, left, shuffle, right, cross, rock, quarter, shuffle, that's it. Easy? Okay, so, if you are an instructor, raise your hand. Raise your hand. If you're a wannabe instructor and you have a few people and you teach them some dances, raise your hand. So, we have some CDs available for instructors so that you can take this, teach it to your class. So when the dance is over, come find us. We have some CDs for you. If your instructor isn't here, they couldn't make it, come see us. If you are from abroad and your instructor isn't here, take the CD back to your country, Zimbabwe, Kentucky, wherever it is you're from, Trumpville. So make sure you come see us after the dance, all right? Love you. Smile, you guys. It's not that hard. I'm watching you because you're like, you're going to have an aneurysm. Seriously, relax, breathe, stop looking at the floor. I know it's beautiful. But stop looking at the floor, chin up. Look at the person in front of you and have fun. Smile. All right. How's the new floor? Oh. Good? Did he do a good job? Go, kick, kick, coaster step, forward, half, shuffle, and quarter touch, side behind, quarter, quarter, and cross, shuffle, rock, step, rock, and shuffle, cross, rock, quarter, start again with kick, kick, coaster step, forward, half, shuffle, and quarter touch, side behind, quarter, quarter, and cross, shuffle, rock, step, rock it, to the right, back wall, here we go. And smile. Well, the beer is cold and frosty, but the women are hot. Start again. Pinstripe suits, the jeans a bit too tight. Shuffle. Sway. All right. Here we go. Back to the front. Start again. Dancing, and they're out there making it shake. Stetson hats and belt buckles, bigger than dinner plates. Can't roll the ride and they're satisfied. Stay clear of the fight. Really wanna be a cowboy for a night. And shuffle, rocking. Start again. Can't roll the ride and they're satisfied to stay clear of the fight. Cowboy.
And they're out there making it shake. With Stetson hats and belt buckles, bigger than dinner plates. Can't roll through ride and they're satisfied. Stay clear of for a night. Can't roll through ride and they're satisfied. Stay clear of a fight. Yeah, they wanna be a cowboy for a night. Dying to be a cowboy for a night.
Oh yeah, well done. That's some rocking country there, well done. Cowboy for a night. Should we do that one more time?
Okay.
Quick start.
By the way, I forgot my boots. So Simon's still asleep, so I stole his. He doesn't know yet. But,
Good job. Well done, there you go then. Cowboy for a night.
Alright. 6 go. 6, 6, move, step forward, up.
Broke his tail, his engine, his driving shafts. When Saturday comes, you won't see him in a different light. Well, he's slow dancing, romance, cowboys for a night. Well, they can't get up dust as they pull into the parking lot. Well, the beer is cold and frosty, but the women are hot. Dread pinstripe suits and jeans that fit too tight. Yeah, they're honky-tonky cowboys for a night. Yeah, their boots are made for dancing, and they're out there making it.
Coming up.